So now we'll see how to derive an energy of an electron in an orbit. See, the energy of an electron in an nth orbit has both potential energy as well as kinetic energy. So we get energy of an electron in a nth level as kinetic energy in the nth level plus potential energy in the nth level. So this is half of m into Vn square minus Ze square by 4 pi epsilon naught Rn. Okay. Now if I substitute for the velocity in the nth orbit and radius in the nth orbit, I'll get this as half of m into Ze square by 2n h into epsilon naught whole square minus Ze square by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by radius we have. So this becomes m pi. I'm taking the inverse of the radius of an electron in an orbit. So this is 2 minutes. So this is m pi Ze square by n square h square epsilon naught. Okay. So now after simplifying and collecting everything together and cancelling the common terms in the numerator and denominator, you'll end up with an expression for an energy as minus m e power 4 z square by 8 epsilon naught square n square h square. So this after looking at this expression, it is very clear that the energy is negative. This happens because the negative potential energy, which is attractive in nature, is dominating the kinetic energy of the electron in an orbit. So as a result, the electron is always bound to the orbit inside an atom. And it is because of this we have the energy of the electron as negative. So from this we can clearly say that energy is inversely proportional to minus 1 by n square for a given atomic number.